Uganda's rich cultural heritage is beautifully expressed through its traditional crafts. These crafts not only reflect the artistic talents of local artisans, but also hold significant cultural value. Here are my top 5 traditional Ugandan crafts that make perfect souvenirs or gifts to take back home. Number 5. Traditional instruments. Traditional musical instruments such as drums, thumb pianos, kalimba, also known as, and harps are deeply embedded in Ugandan culture. These instruments are handcrafted using local materials and are essential in traditional performances and ceremonies. Taking home a traditional drum or a kalimba not only supports local artisans but also helps keep the musical traditions of Uganda alive. Number 4. Wood carvings. Ugandan artisans are skilled in wood carving, creating both functional and decorative items such as bowls, utensils, figurines, and masks. These carvings often depict animals, human beings, traditional symbols, and are made from indigenous woods like mahogany and African teak. Wood carvings reflect the spiritual and cultural life of Ugandan people and are a profound way to preserve and share their heritage. Number 3. Beadwork. Beadwork is a popular craft among many tribes in Uganda, especially the Karimojong and Acholi people. Beads are made from recycled paper, glass, or seeds and are crafted into beautiful necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. Beadwork is not only a craft but also an important part of social and cultural expression, often worn during ceremonies and special events. If you've watched this far, make sure you like the video and subscribe if you've not already. Number 2 on my list is basketry. Ugandan baskets are renowned for their durability and intricate design. Made from natural materials like palm leaves, raffia, and banana fibers, these baskets come in various shapes and sizes. They are often brightly colored and patterned, reflecting different tribal styles and meanings. Baskets are functional for storage and decoration and symbolize unity and hospitality in many Ugandan cultures. And top of my list is the back cloth. Back cloth making is an ancient craft that is unique to Uganda. Particularly among the Baganda people, it is made from the bark of mutuba tree, known as Ficus natalensis in English, and traditionally used for clothing and ceremonial occasions. Today, back cloth is used to make a variety of items including bags, clothes, artistic decorations. It was designated a UNESCO masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity, highlighting its cultural significance. Each of these traditional crafts tells a story of Uganda's cultural history and contemporary artistic expressions. If you purchase these crafts, you are not only acquiring unique piece of art, but contributing to livelihood of local artisans and the preservation of Uganda's cultural heritage. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.